What's up, guys? It's Little Maze. Welcome back to my channel. It's been a long time. It's been 10 days since I vlogged. But this is more. Remember the monster trucks thing back? It's back, baby. I wrote these teams down. Okay. For the AFC, it's the I spin the wheel on the app. Go check that out. It's been World Wall. Go check them out. They're not sponsored though. AFC, Bengals, Bills, Raiders, Colts. NFC, Rams, Eagles, Bears, Saints. Comment down below. See who you think is gonna win. Today we are going for the Rams and the Eagles. So we got a box right here. And we have all my monster trucks. We're going to pick teams. So Rams are going to pick Yeti. Close up of that. Cool truck. First pick is Yeti. And second pick for the Rams or Scooby-Doo, where are you? Look at that. Scooby-Doo. Ooh. It is zombie in skeleton form. Look at that. That's a cool truck right there. I got that many years ago, so that's the team right there. Congratulations. Go. Bam! With Gravedigger! Gravedigger. We have Jester. That. There. And then we got the last truck, and it is Ice Cream Man. Ice Cream Man. There we go. There's our lineup for today. This is the Saints. This is the Saints. We got Yeti. We got Scooby-Doo. We got Skeleton Zombie. And for the Eagles, we got Gravedigger, Jester, Ice Cream Man. Comment down below who you think is going to win this match. Here we go. Away team is the Eagles. Okay. We got two Mahomes on the checkup stand. Yeah, everybody, it is going to be a great match tonight. I think who's going to win is going to be the Eagles because they have freaking Gravedigger. They have Gravedigger all the way. No one can beat Gravedigger in my opinion. So thank you for the support on that video when I came back. Thank you. Back to base. Okay, thank you, Mahomes. We have this lineup right over here. We have the lineup here. Bam. No. Bam. We have one team right here. Okay. Let's play some football. It's Gravedigger versus Yeti. Whoever lands gets a touchdown. Touchdown! Gravedigger! He was off camera, but give it up for Gravedigger. It's Jester versus Scooby-Doo. Bang! Jester with the clutch! 2 touchdowns for the Eagles. Wow. What a drive-through. Here we go. Skeleton Zombie versus Ice Cream Man. Touchdown! 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 Go! Let's go! Ho, 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 ho. It's fun. Bam! Bam! Touchdown! Gravedigger! 21 versus 28 wins. It's 21. And then in the Super Bowl, it is 35 points. So let's go. They just need one more point to score to win it. Here we go. Here we go. Maybe Scooby-Doo can keep the Rams alive in the playoffs. Touchdown! They win it! They win it! They did it. They're moving on to the NFC Championship. Congratulations, Eagles fans and Eagles. Gravedigger with MVP of this game is Gravedigger. Okay, in the Super Bowl, whoever has the most touchdowns is the MVP of the Super Bowl. What a shot. Bang. Bang. And congratulations for the Rams to be in this game. Congratulations to be in this game. Put up a good fight, but not enough. So congratulations to both teams. So thank you guys for watching NFL Mason. Subscribe, like, comment who you thought who won. Before you even watch this, in the first beginning of the video, go comment, go subscribe, go like, and see you next time on NFL